drive my car and take control of my love. For her I would kill, for her I would drill. She know that it's real, she know that I feel however she feel, girl.
Hey BF dolls, welcome back to another client makeup tutorial. So today I'm taking this concealer shade. I've already primed her eyes, done her eyebrows, and concealed. So now I'm just taking this shade Glisten from my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and now I'm highlighting up under her brow bone. Now I'm taking this brown shade Rustic from my Soft Glam palette and just grabbing a blending brush, and I'm blending this all over her lid and also blending it into the color that I just applied up under the brow bone. We're going for a kind of bronzy natural look, so I'm just putting one color all over the lid and blending it all over the lid. And that's pretty much for the eyeshadow. So now I'm just taking my Wet n Wild H2O waterproof eyeliner, which is my favorite eyeliner right now. It's super matte, super bomb. Y'all go cop it. Remember, I put you on though. But yeah, I'm just giving her a winged eyeliner with this look. Now I'm going back in with that concealer shade that I used earlier to conceal the brows, and I'm concealing under her eyes, her nose, above her mouth, her chin, and her forehead. So I'm using Lancome's loose setting powder, I believe it's called, in the color Deep for her foundation today. We're using a powder as a foundation today, and I'm just putting it in all the areas that I didn't put the concealer, which is around the perimeter of the face, and I'm going to also contour her nose with this powder. So now I'm taking my Sasha Buttercup powder, and I'm going to set up under her eyes, the bridge of her nose, her forehead, above her mouth, her chin, and I'm also going to chisel the cheeks out and contour up under her cheeks with this powder. Also, I'd really love it if you guys would drop a comment in the comment section and let me know if you are enjoying the voiceovers in these videos. I'm trying to be as descriptive as I can because I really want you guys to learn from these makeup tutorials. So just let me know. And right now I'm about to take the deepest shade from my ItsMyRayeRaye palette, which is the contour shade, the deepest darkest shade in that palette, and I'm going to go over top and just contour it. Now I'm taking my Lancome Fix It and Forget It matte setting spray and setting the face with it. And then I'm gonna take my Juvias Place highlighter. I don't know the name of the highlighter, but it will be in the description bar as every other product will, so don't forget to check the description bar, you guys, so you don't have to ask me what I'm using. Now I'm taking my Fenty gloss. I believe this is in the color Fenty Glow. This is the first Rihanna lip gloss that came out. And I'm taking this concealer brush, which I'm using as a lip brush, and applying that. Then I'm going to take my MAC and Patrick Star lip gloss and Mama Star, and I'm going to apply that as well. And yes, that's the finished look after that. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know. I can't wait to give y'all more of these tutorials. I've really been having fun doing these client makeup tutorials. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Love you guys.
For you is true, so baby let me cater to you. We found love in 772. She straight up out of 772. The feelings that I got for you is true, so baby let me cater to you. Niggas don't know, they don't need to know. Roll up a phone. The feelings that I got for